First off, Samsung is probably celebrating right about now. Initially, some rumors suggested that the display of the iPhone 15 would be predominantly made by BOE and LG displays, as Apple is trying as much as possible to drop Samsung, their biggest OLED display maker, because it's a direct competitor in the smartphone space. Well, that isn't happening anytime soon, at least not this year. The BOE screens have failed to meet the standards of Apple. BOE is having some problems with light leaks in their display around the pale notch of the screen, and it seems Apple has no choice than to switch to Samsung. Next up, the mute switch is reportedly changing into a button, but they're small. Apparently, Apple will give users the opportunity to customize this button for their very own shortcuts. The iPhone 15 series phones are getting pressure-sensitive buttons. Unlike the actual buttons, these won't work if the phone goes off, and Apple has a genius fix for this. Apple has added a low-energy chip that is supposed to keep the buttons powered up even if the phone's battery dies off. Also, the SIM tray isn't coming back. Actually, the iPhone 15 series may have more SIM-less devices in more regions in Europe, specifically France. This is likely going to trickle down to most regions of Europe, as Apple specifically sells usually one device in Europe. Most rumors pretty much stay the same. The slight increment in the price of the Pro models, the titanium frame, USB-C solid-state buttons are coming, and a new A17 Bionic chip that is going to blow the competitors into the mud. The iPhone 15 series is shaping out to be very interesting. Let me know of your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll be back when I find something new.